Welcome to a modern manufacturing facility where advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship come together to create highly detailed humanoid robot parts. Inside this factory, every step is carefully planned, every movement is precise, and every detail matters. The journey begins with powerful industrial 3D printing machines. These massive printers operate continuously, building complex components from liquid resin materials. Layer by layer, the structure slowly takes shape. Each movement is digitally controlled with extreme accuracy, allowing the machines to produce designs that would be almost impossible to create by hand. As the printing continues, you can see frames, facial structures, and body components gradually forming. The process takes time. Precision cannot be rushed. Once printing is complete, the raw parts are carefully removed from the machines. At this stage, the components are still surrounded by support materials. These supports protect the structure during printing and maintain perfect alignment. Skilled workers gently remove these outer layers, revealing the true form hidden inside. Now begins the inspection phase. Each piece is examined closely to ensure there are no defects. At first, the surface appears rough and unfinished. That is completely normal. The parts are washed thoroughly to remove any remaining residue. Clean, prepared, ready for refinement. Next comes sanding and smoothing. This is where craftsmanship truly begins to shine. Workers carefully polish the surface, removing rough edges and imperfections. Slow movements, steady hands, absolute focus. The goal is simple: perfection. Special attention is given to the facial components. These require the highest level of precision. Every curve, every contour, every subtle detail must look natural. Technicians refine the facial features by hand, making micro-adjustments that bring realism to life. After smoothing, the components move to surface treatment. This stage strengthens the material and prepares it for painting. Under bright lighting, the surfaces are checked again. Any small imperfection, no matter how minor, is corrected. Now the transformation truly begins. The painting process starts. Skilled artists apply multiple layers of color using professional airbrush techniques. Soft layers, gentle blending, careful shading. Skin tones are created with precision. Different shades are layered gradually to build depth and realism. This step gives the parts a lifelike appearance. What was once a simple printed structure now begins to resemble human skin. Once painting is complete, the components are left to dry. The drying process is controlled to ensure the color settles evenly across the surface. After drying, each piece is inspected again. Consistency, balance, smoothness. If any detail needs improvement, it is corrected immediately. At the same time, other components, such as hands, structural frames, and internal parts are being prepared. Each section of the factory works in coordination, maintaining an efficient and organized workflow. Quality control remains a constant priority. Every component is checked multiple times before moving forward. Nothing leaves the production area without meeting strict standards. Here, technology and human skill work side by side. Machines handle precision and repetition. Humans provide artistry, judgment, and refinement. This balance creates results that are both technically accurate and visually realistic. As production continues, completed parts are carefully arranged and prepared for final use. They are handled with care to prevent any damage. From the first digital design to the final polished component, every stage of this process is controlled with discipline and dedication. This factory represents the evolution of modern manufacturing. Advanced 3D printing technology has made it possible to transform digital concepts into physical reality, efficiently, accurately, and at an impressive scale. The result is a collection of highly detailed humanoid robot parts that reflect both engineering excellence and artistic craftsmanship. As the demand for advanced robotics continues to grow, facilities like this are shaping the future. Precision, innovation, dedication. This is not just manufacturing. This is the future of industrial production brought to life.